Hi, are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys. So, I'm making this video specifically to talk about women's hygiene in the bathroom area. I know it's an embarrassing topic and people don't want to talk about this publicly, especially the ladies, but somebody needs to say it. Somebody needs to make this video. So, I'm your hero, heroine. I'm here. It's a poop video. Din, 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 din. So, I put up a status update on my Facebook telling women that when they use the bathroom, they need to wash. You don't only use dry toilet paper and go. Because dry toilet paper, you're still going to be smelling. Like, it cannot wipe away all the poop. And even if it wipes away all the poop, you're still going to have the smell there. You know, like you will still smell. There's no way you can use dry toilet paper and walk. Okay? I think you need to come into the bathroom so they can, like, follow everything. So this is your bathroom area. You start with your toilet paper. First thing you do is cut a little bit of toilet. This mama taught you when you were a kid. You cut a little bit of your toilet, throw it inside the toilet so when the bam goes down, the water does not splash up onto your bam. So you put a little bit of toilet paper inside. You wipe the top like so. And then you need to cut some toilet paper like so. Place it on the side like so. Take this, place it on the side. Now you can sit. And ensure you get your toilet washed, you get it cleaned on the top. I always use steel wire. I ask the maid to please scrub it with steel wire on the top. And sometimes I myself scrub it with a brush. But even then, you still need to place a little bit of toilet paper and then you sit. Especially this toilet that is not Indian style. Indian style toilet, the one that you don't need to sit, you only squat. So you know the other toilet where you only squat and do your business. But this is not Indian style. So somebody else will sit there. So just to be extra clean and extra careful, you put some toilet paper on top. So you do your business. Then you wipe as usual with your toilet paper, just as you always wipe. Okay? You wipe with your toilet paper. Okay? Front going back, not back coming front. Why? Because of infections. The front part is very sensitive. Okay, it's an open organ. The women's private part is open. So you don't want to infect it with the dirtiest part after you do your business is the back. So front going back. Okay? And then of course you throw away the toilet paper. This is where the water comes in. You then wash. Now some women, after I put that post up, were inboxing me like, how can you use toilet in the washroom? How? You're gonna wash every time you go? Every time you have to every time you have to poop, you have to wash? Yes, why not? Why walk around with poop in your butt? You don't want that. That's not clean. So yes, it's simple really. You have your water pipe. This particular bathroom is near the bathtub. There's a different bathroom that is connected directly to the toilet. Okay? But I'm using this bathroom for the purposes of this video. So you use this. Start to the front. Always start to the front. Then you move a little bit front. Wash. Ladies, after you use dry toilet paper, wash. And then now you have water, right? Now you have water and you need to dry that water. You can either use the same toilet paper to dry the water, okay? Same toilet paper to dry yourself, or a clean towel for that purpose that you're going to wash later. After you've washed with water, you cannot just put on your clothes and you have water. You dry it. I even use soap for the back. Like I press some soap and wash the back, but not the front, because the front again is sensitive. It could be infected. You don't want soap there. The woman's vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It cleans itself. It doesn't need soap. But you need soap for the back. Then of course, if you need to use your toilet brush, okay, you brush dries up. You have no excuse as a lady to walk around with poop. No way, you're not a lady if you do that. Especially when you're on your menses, you're on your period, you're bleeding. And then you take, you susu, and then you poop. You do number 1 and number 2 and you walk like that, you're stinking. Girl, what's the matter with you? All this time I'm trying to hold in my tummy. I can't even breathe. In Swahili we call it kitambi. Wacha tumbo, ita tumbo. That's a Swahili saying that means be clean always. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you practice this at home. Don't be lazy, girl. Don't be lazy. You don't need to walk around smelling. And it's not, don't bring politics into it. Don't say she's probably Muslim. Hygiene and cleanliness has nothing to do with religion. It's not about Christianity. It's not about Islam. It's about cleanliness and hygiene. End of story. Thank you for watching.